Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create your Facebook account. For that you have to just click on Facebook app. If you already have an account, you can just give your email and password here and click on login. If you don't have any account, you can just create new Facebook account. I'll just click on create new Facebook account. You have to click on next. So you have to give your name here and then just click on next. You have to give your birth date here and click on next. You have to give your gender here. I'll just click on male and click on next. I'll just give my number here. You can also sign up with your email address. For that you have to just give your email address and login and create your account. I'll just give my number and click on next. So we have to choose a very strong password here and click on next. Facebook is just finishing signing up. We have to just click on sign up. Facebook is creating our account here. If you already have an account, you can just click on yes, find my account, and if you don't have any account, you can just click on no, create new account. I'll just click on no, create new account. It's written here next time log in with one tap, so you can just log into your Facebook account. For the next time you can just click on save password here and click on OK. Facebook will remember your account. So I'll just click on my confirmation code here. You can just choose your photo from your gallery. I'll just click on skip. You can add friends here. I'll just skip it, and now yes, your account is created. So if you guys like our video, then you can just click on like and subscribe. Thank you.